What's up, everybody? We're gonna go through a 5-minute movement series. We're gonna do each exercise for 1 minute for a total of 5 different exercises. This is just a way to get the body pumped, get started to move throughout the day. If you need to take a break, 5 minutes is all you need. So let's go ahead and get started. I have a mat here. We're gonna do low impact. So we're gonna start out with some skater touches. So you're tapping the foot behind, reaching the other arm up over towards the ceiling. Every time, seeing you can get a little bit lower, deeper into that skater move. Notice how my torso rotates as the arm twists up overhead. The back leg taps back, just like a kickstand, not taking a lot of weight. So you're still getting a little bit of stability, a little bit of balance. Halfway, 30 more seconds. Once you're comfortable with the move, see if you can pick up that pace a little bit. Last 20. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you're gonna take it wide leg. We're gonna do singles and double squats. So take it down for a single, pulse it for a double. Back to the single, and pulse it for the double. Every time coming up, squeezing those glutes as we get to the top. Single, double. Single, squeeze, double, squeeze. Halfway, 30 seconds. Last 15, then we take it onto the mat. Single, double. Last one of each. Single here, double it up here. Perfect, make your way back down to the mat, lay on your back. We're gonna go into single leg glute bridges. So the first 30 seconds all on one side, one leg lifts straight up. Push through, squeeze the glutes of that leg that's still on the mat. If you want an extra stability challenge, with the hands across your chest. Good, guys, stay parallel, hips stay level as you lift. 10 more seconds on this side. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. 30 seconds, other side, let's go. Thighs are still parallel, hips are still lifting even. $15 more seconds. For 5, for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring the legs into a tabletop position. Low back gets in contact with the mat. Hands can go right behind your head or right on the sides of you, whatever feels better. Keeping your low back in contact with the mat, reach out one leg, tap it down 1 foot at a time. The straighter the leg, the further away you reach, the harder it's going to be. If you can't maintain your back in contact with the mat, start small and just do taps from here. As that gets easier, as you have more control throughout the abdomen, throughout the abdominal area, then you can go ahead and make it a little bit harder. $20 more seconds. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, and then flip it over onto hands and knees. Here from that all fours position, we're gonna kick it up for a donkey kick. 30 seconds all on one side, and then 30 seconds all on the other. Try not to lean into that stabilizing leg. Keeping the belly button drawn in towards the spine, and almost like you're making a footprint on the ceiling. 10 seconds left on this leg. For 3, 2, 1, and switch. Same thing, nothing changes. Keep the weight evenly distributed between all those 3 points on the mat. Squeeze the glutes as you lift that leg up into the air like you're trying to make a footprint on the ceiling. Last 15 seconds. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Shake it out, stretch it out, give your knees a little hug in towards the chest if you need, but that's it for your 5 minutes of movement. Bye guys.